Join me as I dive into the world of dividend investing and challenge myself to turn a small investment into a steady stream of income by the end of 2024. Dividend investing has been gaining popularity in 2024, and for good reason. It's a strategy that can provide a steady stream of income without requiring you to sell your underlying investments. But before we dive in, I want to talk about why I think dividend investing is such a powerful tool for building wealth. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that it's only for the wealthy. People think you need a lot of money to get started, or that you need to be some kind of financial expert. But the truth is, anyone can get started with investing, regardless of their financial situation. You don't need to be a genius or a millionaire to start building wealth through dividend investing. The other big misconception is that investing in the stock market is too risky. People are afraid of market volatility, and they think that investing is just gambling. But the truth is, market volatility is a normal part of investing, and it's actually a great opportunity to buy high-quality stocks at a discount. With dividend investing, you're not trying to time the market or make a quick profit. You're in it for the long haul, and you're focused on generating steady income. People are also afraid of losing their principal investment, but the truth is, dividend investing is a relatively low-risk strategy. When you focus on established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends, you're much more likely to generate steady income without putting your principal at risk. I've heard people say that dividend investing is boring, that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. And you know what? They're right. Dividend investing isn't sexy, it's not flashy, and it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. But it is a solid, reliable way to build wealth over time, and it's something that anyone can do. So how does dividend investing actually work? At its core, dividend investing is about buying shares of established companies that pay consistent dividends to their shareholders. You're essentially buying a piece of a company that generates income, and that income is paid out to you in the form of dividends. The key is to focus on companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, and to reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. One of the most important concepts in dividend investing is yield. Yield is the ratio of the annual dividend payment to the stock's current price, and it's usually expressed as a percentage. For example, if a stock is trading at $50 and pays an annual dividend of $2, the yield would be 4%. Reinvestment is also a crucial part of dividend investing. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially using that income to buy more shares, which can help you generate even more income in the future. Diversification is another key concept in dividend investing. You want to spread your investments across different industries and sectors to minimize your risk and maximize your returns. This could mean investing in a mix of established companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson, as well as newer companies like Amazon or Microsoft. Let me tell you about a friend of mine who's been using dividend investing to generate a steady stream of income. When he first started, he was skeptical. He didn't think he had enough money, and he was afraid of the stock market. But he took the plunge, and he started investing in a handful of high-quality dividend stocks. Over time, his investment grew, and he started generating a steady stream of income. Today, he's earning more than $1,000 a month in dividends alone. As he continued to reinvest his dividends, he started to see the power of compound interest. His income grew faster and faster, and he started to see the real potential of dividend investing. Today, he's confident that he'll be able to retire early, thanks to the steady stream of income he's generating through dividend investing. Another dividend investor I want to talk about is a guy named Grant from Indiana. Grant started investing in dividend stocks in his 20s, and he's been reinvesting his dividends for decades. Today, he's earning more than $5,000 a month in dividends alone. He's used that income to travel the world, to pursue his passions, and to live the life he wants. The benefits of dividend investing are clear. It's a low-risk strategy that can generate a steady stream of income without requiring you to sell your underlying investments. It's a strategy that can help you build wealth over time, and it's accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial situation. So, what's holding you back from getting started with dividend investing? If you're new to investing, I encourage you to take the leap and start learning more about dividend investing. And if you're already an experienced investor, I encourage you to share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video on stock market basics, where I'll be diving even deeper into the world of investing.